Now here x plus 1 by x is equal to t. Then its derivative. Derivative of x is 1. 1. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Dx is equal to dt. So if we take x plus 1 by x as t, 1 minus 1 by x square dx can be taken as dt. So the given problem is integral e power t dt. Or you can use this formula e power f of x into f dash of x. Integral e power f of x into f dash of x. So integral e power t dt is again e power t plus c. So you will get e power x plus 1 by x plus, that is the result. Or use the formula integral e power f of x into f dash of x dx. That is e power f of x plus c. Next problem. Now here consider x e power x is equal to t. You need to observe the derivatives, that is more important. So if you take x e power x as t, now this will be uv formula, chain rule. Now differentiating with respect to x, you will get x into derivative of e power x, that is e power x plus e power x into derivative of x, that is 1 dx is equal to dt. So you will get x into, e power x into x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. Now you can see, if you take x e power x as a t, 1 plus x into e power x dx will be dt. So this is dt by cos square t. 1 by cos square t is secant square t. So this is integral secant square t dt. Integral secant square x is tan x. So you will get tan t plus c. So tan of t is x e power x plus c. That is the result. Important problem. Here also you have to take log of 1 plus x as t. So log of 1 plus x is equal to t. Then its derivative, differentiating with respect to x, you will get 1 by 1 plus x into, now derivative of 1 plus x is 0 plus 1. Dx is equal to dt. Log of 1 plus x as t, then its derivative is 1 by 1 plus x. So you will get 1 by 1 plus x dx is equal to dt. This given integral can be written as, now you have taken log of 1 plus x as t. And the remaining 1 by 1 plus x dx is again dt. So integral t dt is t square by 2 plus c. T power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So result is, what is t here? Log of 1 plus x whole square by 2 plus c. That is the result. Now here also 1 plus log x is equal to t. Log x is differentiable, so we take log x as t. 1 plus log x is equal to t. Now differentiating with respect to x, you will get 0 plus derivative of log x is 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So you will get 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Now this is given integral. So 1 plus log x is t. So t power is 1 by x dx is dt. Now this is integral t power n dt. Integral x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So you will get t to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, where t is 1 plus log x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. That is the result. Now this is integral cos cube x into sin x dx. So if you take cos x is equal to t, cos x is equal to t, its derivative is minus sin x. So minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So this can be written as integral t cube into, now cos x is t, so t cube into sin x dx can be written as minus dt. So minus integral t cube dt. Otherwise you can see this as f power n of x into f dash of x. Okay, integral f power n of x into f dash of x is f power n plus 1 by n plus 1. By using that formula also you can write the solution. So minus t power 4 by 4 plus c. So result is minus cos power 4x by 4 plus, that is the result. You can see this as f power n of x into f dash of x. So f of x is cos x, f dash of x is minus sin x. Next problem. Integral, this can be written as sin x whole power 1 by 3 into cos x dx. Now you can see directly it is f power n of x into f dash of x. What is f of x here? Sin x. F dash x is cos x. So you can write that directly also. So that will be sin x whole power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus. But in examination point of view, you need to mention the formula at least. Mention the formula and you can directly write that answer. So you will get 3 by 4 into sin x whole power 4 by 3 plus, that is the result. Now here also, if you take tan x as f of x, its derivative is secant square x. So f of x is tan x, f dash of x is secant square. So what is the result? Tan x whole power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c. So 1 by 5 into tan x whole power 5 plus, that is the result. So this is integral sin power 4x by cos power 4x into 1 by cos square x dx. Now integral sin power 4x by cos power 4x is tan power 4x into 1 by cos square x is secant square x dx. Now this is of the form integral f power n of x into f dash of x dx. What is the result? F power n plus 1 of x by n plus 1 plus, where f of x is tan x. Its derivative f dash of x is secant square x. So result will be tan to the power of 5x by 5 plus c. F power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Tan power 5x by 5 plus 1. Next problem. Now here integral cos x by 1 plus sin x whole square. So 1 plus sin x is equal to t. If you take 1 plus sin x as t, differentiating with respect to x, you will get 0 plus derivative of sin x is cos x dx is equal to dt. So cos x dx can be taken as dt. Integral, now cos x dx is dt by t square. 1 plus sin x is t. So integral 1 by t square is minus 1 by t plus, otherwise you can write it in the form t power minus 2. T power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So minus 1 by, where t is 1 plus sin x plus, that is the result. integral cosecant square x by a plus b cot x whole power 5 dx. Now let a plus b cot x is equal to t. It's a derivative. Derivative of a is 0 plus b into derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x dx is equal to dt. So you will get cosecant square x dx is equal to minus 1 by d dt. Okay. Now you are having cosecant square x dx in the numerator. So it can be written as minus 1 by d into 1 by t power 5. So minus 1 by d integral t power minus 5 d. 1 by t power 5 is t power minus 5. So this is minus 1 by d into t power minus 5 plus 1 by minus 5 plus 1 plus. So you will get minus 4. So 1 by 4b into where t is a plus b cot x. So a plus b cot x whole power 4 plus that is the akkada. So integral sin cube x. Now you have a formula sin 3x. What is sin 3x? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So from this 4 sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. So sin 3x from the formula sin 3x, 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So sin cube x can be written as 3 by 4 sin x minus 1 by 4 sin 3x divided into 4. So integral sin cube x can be written as 3 by 4 sin x minus 1 by 4 sin 3x dx. So 3 by 4 into, first one is integral sin x. Integral sin x is minus cos x minus 1 by 4 into integral sin 3x. You need to write minus cos 3x, but derivative of 3x is in the denominator by plus. Okay. So the result is minus 3 by 4 cos x plus 1 by 12 cos 3x plus that is the result. And we can try this one also, integral cos cube x by taking the formula cos 3x. What is cos 3x? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay. Next, integral cos x into cos 2x dx. You have a formula 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. That is the formula. Compound angle formula. 2 cos a cos b is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So I can write this as 1 by 2 integral 2 cos 2x into cos x dx. Now this is 2 cos a cos b. So 1 by 2 into 2 cos a cos b is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. What is the difference? 2x minus x, that is x. So dx. Now you can integrate this. 1 by 2 into integral cos 3x is sin 3x by 3 plus integral cos x is sin x plus that is the result. Integral x square by root over 1 minus x power 6 dx. You need to identify the derivatives in the given integral. So if you take x cube as t, now differentiating with respect to x, you will get 3x square dx is equal to dt. Now you can write this integral as x square by root over 1 minus x cube whole square dx. X power 6 is written as x cube whole square. Now if you write x cube as t here, x square dx can be written as 1 by 3 dt. So it is 1 by 3 integral dt by root of 1 minus t square. So integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is sine inverse x. So result is 1 by 3 sine inverse of t plus c. So 1 by 3 sine inverse of where t is x cube plus c. That is the result. Now integral 3x square by 1 plus x power 6 dx. Now this can be written as 3x square by 1 plus x cube whole square dx. Now let x cube is equal to t. Its derivative is 3x square dx is equal to dt. So now the given integral is integral dt by 1 plus t square. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x. So you will get tan inverse of t plus c. So tan inverse of where t is x cube plus important model.